I will reply to it. Well, I always regard the SONA as a report, the report from the President to the public as to what has happened since the last SONA. And that is what we will take up. Of course, I will make sure that people know all of the things that we have done to navigate this very difficult period in our history where we are buffeted by all of these external forces. But nonetheless, our response has been good, and we have had to make adjustments, but those adjustments have been effective and have served their purpose. And I know that it has helped people weather this storm and continue to weather the storm until things hopefully normal. So,
Sir, are you done writing the script, sir?
I'm sorry.
Are you done writing the script? How long
I'm
is
never
it?
done. Until 1 hour before the sun, I'm still changing it. Because of course we want it to be perfect. So, but on the whole, yes, on the whole, it's I would say the actual language is 9+% done. We're just fixing it up and making sure that it's not too long, it's not too short, that we have everything that we want of parts.
Address the corruption that we
Right. Thank you, sir.
Abangan ang
Thank you, sir.
sir.